Hey everybody, Wade from Jeanneau. I'm standing on the back of the brand new TH33, a new, completely new range for us here at Jeanneau Powerboats. And why don't you come with me while we take a peek, and I'm going to tell you why this is an absolutely awesome platform. Starting at the back, I got a couple of 300 V8 Mercuries here, enough to push this boat to about 45 miles an hour. Because it's a cat, they are extra wide apart, giving us a huge not only platform, reboarding space, but I got a spot for a really big ladder under the hatch here. And when I say big, it's a proper ladder. You unfold it. I've got the handheld handrails everywhere. As we move in, the great thing about a cat, it's wide. You got space. In the aft cockpit, you got space for everybody. Grandkids, the friends, even friends you didn't know you had, we're going to come aboard. Plenty of storage. The great thing is, again, because it's a cat, you have two of everything. In this boat, it's almost a basement. Tons of storage. It's very deep. Coolers, water toys, floats, lines, fenders, whatever you need. And it's mirrored right under this one as well. Coming up in, spot for 4 people across at the helm. Of course, it's a Jeanneau, so you're always going to get the latest technology from our partners at Garmin. We have wireless induction charging. It'll hold your phone in place, so it's not going to go flying out. Joystick, obviously digital throttles, but also because it's a Jeanneau, you get extremely good use of space. And right here is no exception. I've got a very large head compartment, complete with hot water shower, almost 6'5", 6'4" feet of headroom. Don't quote me on that, but it's close. Above us, a really solid integrated hardtop, integrated speakers, lights, gives you a ton of shade, and you can even throw a sun awning off the back. You can throw a sun awning off the front and have 34 feet of a shade floating barge in the water. Coming up to the bow, tons of space for lounging. You can fill this whole area in with making a very large sun pad. And last but not least, a very nice big cabin space. You could throw some air conditioning down there, spend the night on this thing. Very, very large, very deep, very comfortable. 34 feet of awesomeness. It's all on the same level, uninterrupted party platform. Jeanneau.com. Thanks for tagging along.